Good morning, students. Welcome to your SST class. Today I am going to revise you the chapter 1 which we learned last week. Students, in 7th class we will learn about the history of the medieval period. The medieval period is a span for 1000 years. That means we will learn about the history of 1000 years. Historians have divided history into 3 periods. They are ancient period up to 8th century, medieval period. Medieval period is further divided into 2 periods, that are early medieval period and late medieval period. Modern period. The modern period starts from 18th century to till date. India has got its different names because many invaders from Europe and Central Asia invaded India and gave it different names, like Aryans, who called India as Aryavrata, and the British called India as India. Sources of medieval period. There are 2 kinds of sources of medieval period. They are archaeological sources and literary sources. Here we will learn about the sources of medieval period. They are manuscripts, inscriptions, artifacts, coin and literary sources. Literary sources. Many foreigners who came to India during the period, they wrote many books. They were considered as literary sources. Inscriptions and manuscripts are also considered as literary sources. Al-Masudi, Al-Biruni, Ibn Battuta, Domingo Pace, William Hawkins, Sir Thomas Roy. Many visitors came India during that period. Important medieval literature. Kalhana wrote Rastarangini, Al-Biruni wrote Tariq al-Hind, Chandra Bardai wrote Prithviraj Raso, Amir Khusro wrote Tariq Alahi, Babar wrote Babarnama, Minaj ul Siraj wrote Tahqiq Nasiri, Ziauddin Banari wrote Tariq Firoz Shahi, Abul Fazl wrote Akbarnama and Aine Akbari, Surdas wrote Sursagar, and Malik Muhammad Jaisi wrote Padmavat. Archaeological sources. Archaeological sources are coins, manuscripts, monuments and buildings, paintings, etc. During that time of the medieval period, many new social and political groups were emerged in India. Mahmud of Ghazni and Muhammad Ghori, Prithviraj Chauhan, the great Mughals, the Rajputs, Sikhs, Maratha, Ahoms, Jat, they all arose during the medieval period. Economic changes. Production of agriculture was increased. A large number of forests were cleared. Persian wheel was used in irrigation. Spinning wheel was used in weaving. Potatoes, corn, chilies, tea and coffee arrived in India. During that time, many small regions were changed into empire. At that time, because there was absence of a powerful empire, that is why many small regions appear. Tripartite struggle took place among the Palas, Pratiharas and Rashtrakutas. Cholas established trading connects with Southeast Asia and China. Delhi Sultans and Mughals created many regions. What happened in the religion? Many important changes took place in Hinduism. Bhakti movement started. Islam appeared in India. Sufi tradition came to India, and idea of equality of all humankind appeared. What was happen in the world during that time? The medieval period in Europe extended from 600 CE to 1500 CE. At that time in Europe, feudalism was prevalent. King granted large pieces of land to noblemen and bishops. Landless farmers worked on these land known as serfs. Supply of food, grains and population were increased. Now student, I hope that you will learn chapter 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.